Step Up for Parkinson's is a voluntary organization that gives free specialized movement classes to people with Parkinson's disease and their caregiver. So what is Parkinson's disease? People with Parkinson's disease often have symptoms such as a stooped posture, the tremor, difficulties initiating a movement, loss of facial expressions and voice. And with these specialized movement classes, we actually work on their balance, their motor symptoms and their overall quality of life. Now often the spouse, the husband or wife, becomes the informal caregiver. So this person, he or she has to look after their husband or wife. And sometimes this comes with a bit of a burden. By coming together to our classes, we improve also their quality of life. They can connect together, dance and have fun and meet people just like them. Step Up for Parkinson started in 2016 with a pilot study, and in 2017 we received our first funding and became an official voluntary organization. We were 15 people and today we have 190 participants. We host 9 classes around the island and have 11 trained trainers. We are extremely happy to have received the funds from the Office of the President, the Malta Arts Council and of course His Excellency George Vella. With these funds we can continue to give our classes for free and help more people with Parkinson's disease and their caregiver in Malta.